ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಕನ್ನಡ ಸಕ್ಸ್ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ 8ನೇ ತರಗತಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ವಿಷಯದ ಪೊಯಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 3 ನೋ ಮೆನ್ ಆರ್ ಫಾರಿನ್ ಎಂಬ ಪೊಯಮ್ನ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಣ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋವನ್ನು ಕೊನೆಯವರೆಗೂ ವೀಕ್ಷಿಸಿ. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಇಷ್ಟವಾದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋವನ್ನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1. What does the poet remind us in the first line of the poem? The poet reminds us that no man is stranger and no country is a foreign country. All men are same wherever we go, and all the countries are like our own country. Question number 2. What, according to the poet, are we doing when we hate others? According to the poet, we should remember that whenever we are told to hate our brothers, it is ourselves that we shall hate, despise, betray, and condemn. What are the two bad effects of war? Read lines 16 to 19 and answer. If we fight or war against each other, it affects the earth and air. Two bad effects are the earth and air will become impure. Hatredness between brothers increases. Read and discuss the response with your partner, then write. Question number 1. How do you think we are all treated alike by nature? The answer is, nature has given the same physical features and mental abilities to all the people living on earth. It has provided all the natural resources like sun, air, and water to the people. People work hard to cultivate lands and produce food in all parts of the world. In each and every part of the earth, people lead a common life. There is no discrimination in nature. Question number 2. Read the third stanza carefully. What message does the poet want to convey to us? The answer is, people living in different parts of the earth do have eyes like ours. The eyes that help us to wake up in the morning and sleep at night. They have the ability to love and bring about oneness among the people. We can see people living a common life wherever we go. Therefore, we should develop a sense of equality and brotherhood among ourselves. Question number 3. Do you agree with the poet that we should wage no war? How do you justify that? The answer is yes. All should agree with the poet because war gives way for hatredness only. There is no end for this. So we should not wage war. The poet mentions in the following line, to hate our brothers, it is ourselves that I shall despise, betray, condemn. It is human earth that we defile. Our hells of fire, eye and dust outrage the innocence of war, that on everywhere our own. Question number 4. Some of the opinion that the poet might have written in this poem after witnessing the bad effects of Second World War. Mention some of the lines in the poem to support that opinion. Answer is, the opinion of people about the time of writing this poem might be true. The following lines have a reference to the soldiers' war and its evil effects. Beneath all uniforms a single body breathes, are fed by peaceful harvests, by war's long winter started. Remember, we who take arms against each other, our hells of fire and dust outrage innocence. Question number 5. Briefly describe how war spoils everything. Answer is, People living in different parts of Earth have isolated themselves on the basis of colors, race, creed, language, and country. Though they are all human beings basically, they wage war against one another in the name of race, religion, and other factors. Each country wants to establish supremacy over the others. As a result, there is a mass destruction with the use of modern weaponry. Lakhs of people are killed, their homes, fertile lands are reduced to ashes. If we recall the devastating effects of the Second World War, we can realize that war brings a lot of misery to the people. And multiple choice questions are there. First question is the poem No Men Are Foreign is written by James Kirkup. Hells of fire and the dust refer to fire smoke or dust from the bombs and gunfire. Question number 5. The force that can win over other strength is love. If we take up arms against each other, we defile the earth. Summary of the poem. ಈ ಒಂದು ಪದ್ಯದ ಸಾರಾಂಶವನ್ನು ನೋಡೋದಾದರೆ the authors intended to write this poem is universal brotherhood. According to him, all men are in the universe are same and equal. So he is asking us to behave that nobody is stranger and no country is foreign, because though we all look different, we are all having same body. Similarly, the earth we have live and die is same. The sun, air, water all are same. We should live with the peace. It brings prosperity. War brings adversity. It means great suffering for long time. All hands are same and lines in the hands are also same. The labor is also not different. We should remember that all are having same eyes with which have can sleep or awake. We can own all by love. All things should be possible by love. In every way of life is common. That is all can recognize and understand. We should remember that whenever we are start to hate other brothers, it is our fault. We have no right to condemn others. At the same time, we have no right to look down upon anybody or discriminate against anybody in any grounds. The poet makes a strong plea against the evils of war. By taking up arms, men violate the sanctity of the earth, polluting it with not only dust and smoke, but also hated. Men must learn develop feeling of universal brotherhood. Men must learn no man a stranger and no country is foreign.